An early Christmas gift for 40 Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputies after a judge says they cannot be laid off at the end of the year. New at 10, 12 News' Brendan Conway joins us with a look at what this all means.
Kathy, as 12 News first reported, the deputies were asking for a temporary injunction saying that the layoffs are not legal. Now, the judge who made this ruling today didn't go that far, but he did put the layoffs on hold for at least a month. As anxious deputies, some with their jobs on the line, packed the courtroom and hallway, Judge William Pocan issued a temporary restraining order against the county, saying the sheriff can't lay off 40 of 61 deputies who received pink slips.
Given the record before the court at the current TRO stage of the proceeding, this court grants the TRO.
The deputies union says they have an agreement with the county that for every deputy who retired this year, one less person would be laid off. The county argues only people who retired in November and December counted towards the total number of jobs saved. Union head Roy Felber says the temporary injunction allows deputies affected to keep working, while the case is appealed to a state arbitrator next month.
The judge realized there's a process that has to be followed, and it wasn't followed properly.
No one had a dollar amount, but an attorney for the county says this decision will cost taxpayers money.
The best I can say is that we're very disappointed. We think it creates an additional burden for county taxpayers.
Even with this ruling, as many as 21 deputies could still be laid off on December 31st, depending on how many people retire between now and then.
It's sad that this is happening. We don't want it to happen, but if it does happen, it's got to be done fairly, and the right people should be laid off.
The state arbitrator is expected to rule on this case by January 31st. The judge today says that his decision is not based on what he thinks that final outcome will be, but he does say he believes the deputies have a strong case.
All right, thanks, Brendan.